Welcome back, 7:43 right now. Live look at Table Rock. The rain is moving in.
It is not the best day to be out on the lake. You know, we had mid-80s a couple days ago. Do you remember that last week? Mid-80s,
yeah.
of course, everyone was working.
It's my favorite kind of weather.
I know, and it always happens during the work week. Rain is on the way, and we're looking at satellite and radar right now where you see increasing clouds to our south. And as you look even farther south, there's a lot of storm activity developing across Texas and through portions of Louisiana, Arkansas. There are already severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings down here with this stuff in Texas. And it's early in the morning, so that's just an indication that we are looking at a rough day ahead of us. And it's all because of this strong area of low pressure developing right now across southwestern Texas that will lift northeast through the course of the day. And as it does so, it's going to strengthen pretty quickly. So as this moves into northeast Texas by about 6 p.m., you can see some showers and storms ahead of it. So south of this warm front and east of the cold front, right in this area here, northern Louisiana, there's going to be a pretty high risk of severe weather. Now we are north of the warm front in the Ozarks, so we don't have any severe threat, but we're still going to see a lot of rain later this afternoon, and that rain could be heavy at times. And did you see that? Yes, we could be talking about a little bit of snow mixing in early tomorrow morning. Now, don't panic. It's not going to accumulate. Road surfaces are very warm, but nonetheless, we could see a few flakes mixing in early in the morning tomorrow. Here's that severe threat I was talking to you about. This extends from extreme eastern Texas through much of Louisiana and into western portions of Mississippi. If you have any family members down here, you might want to give them a call, give them a heads up if they're not already aware, because this could be a very significant tornado outbreak as we head through the afternoon down to the south. For us, no severe threat, as I mentioned, but the rain does quickly move in. By noon, I still think it's south of the border, so we're looking south of the state line there into much of northern Arkansas. That will lift north as we head into the late afternoon. By 5 o'clock, that rain could be coming down hard across much of southern Missouri. And then that initial wave kind of loosens its grip on us, so we'll get a bit of a break by mid-evening. And then on the backside of that low, we're going to get a second round of potential heavy rain late tonight and early tomorrow morning. And this is the one that we're going to be watching as temperatures drop early tomorrow morning. A few flakes could mix in, but again, I am not expecting anything to accumulate. Pretty decent rainfall for most of us, and you know what, this is not necessarily a bad thing. We had some pretty high fire danger just a couple days ago, and it has been dry now for a couple of weeks, so this is actually a good thing. I think in general we could be looking at about a 1 to 2 inch rainfall for most of us. Temperatures, they're not really going to warm up much. I think the warmest air will be to our north, along and north of Highway 54. The reason it's going to be warmer to the north is because that's the last spot to see the rain. Down here in northern Arkansas, we might be stuck in the 40s as that rain arrives earlier. But once the rain settles in, I think everybody will drop back into the low to mid 40s during the overnight hours. And as we get into early tomorrow morning, there will be a few spots that drop into the upper 30s. But as you can clearly see here, the temperatures will not be cold enough to really see much of that snow accumulate. Nonetheless, though, it still will be cold enough for this time of year. Just going to be kind of a miserable 24 hours. 54 today at Springfield, 52 in Harrison. Rain becomes widespread as we head through the afternoon, and those northeast winds, that's just going to make it feel kind of raw to be outside. It's going to not be a very nice day. For tonight, widespread rain continues. Look at that wind, northeast 20 to 30, gusting to 40 miles an hour. So it's going to be a sideways rain overnight tonight. Just very nasty conditions. And as we head into next week, we have a major warming trend on the way. But as those temperatures warm, our storm threat begins to ramp up. So here's kind of an early warning for you for next Wednesday. We could be talking about our own round of severe weather here in the Ozarks, still several days out and plenty of time to watch it. Today, just kind of a rainy day, not a very nice one, especially this afternoon. 53 tomorrow, morning rain giving way to some afternoon sun. Big warm up. We'll be up near 80 by next Tuesday, and then the threat of severe weather arrives on Wednesday.
All right.